Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you all how to download ChatGPT on Windows using Microsoft Edge. First of all, you're going to click on Microsoft Edge. Then you click on the search and write Open AI ChatGPT. Click enter. Click ChatGPT Open AI again. Then you move to menu. Then you click login. You click ChatGPT. It's going to bring you to this page. First of all, it's welcoming me back because I've already signed up and I have an account with ChatGPT. For those who have not signed up for ChatGPT at all, you have to sign up first before you can log in. You click sign up here, then it will ask you to for your email address and your password and other process. For now, I'm going to continue with Google. This is my ChatGPT account. Then you click the three dots here, settings and more. Then you scroll down to apps. Then you click on install this site as an app. Click on it. Then it will show you install. To show you install, you click on install. Then allow this app to first pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut. Then you click allow. Then your ChatGPT is here. It's here already. Then it's also a shortcut is already been made. Thank you.